Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing today. We're going to be taking a quick look at the Wyze plugs. These are selling for less than 20 bucks as a kit of 2. They just came out and they work pretty simply actually. They turn on and off and you can control them with the Wyze app or the Amazon A Word along with the Google Assistant and IFTTT. This is part of the Wyze family of products. We've looked at their cameras and their sensors and their light bulbs in the past. This is another thing that will work with their app and with the other products that they make. And again, the price point is very reasonable. Now, they did send this to the channel free of charge, but they are not reviewing or approving this unboxing before it happens. They also are not paying for this unboxing or the review that we'll be doing soon on the main channel at lon.tv. So all of the opinions are my own. So let's have a look inside the box here. We've got a little sticker. We have a little instruction manual. It doesn't take much to get this working because you just pop it in your wall and take out the app, which we will do in a second. And then we have the plugs themselves. They run kind of horizontally here, so you have room to plug 2 in on an outlet together or leave room for other things that you might want to plug into the wall. So that is that. And they are wrapped in plastic here. So what we're going to do is just unwrap this, take a quick look at what it's got on there, and then I'm going to plug one in and show you how to get it configured with their app. It does have a switch here on the side, so if you want to manually turn it on or off, you can just hit the button here and do that. And what we're going to do now is hook it up to my wall outlet and attach the app and see how it gets set up. All right, so we're going to now add a product to our Wyze selection here. I've got a lot of Wyze products, as you can see. So we're going to click on the little periods there at the upper right-hand corner. We're going to go to Add Product. We're going to select a Wyze plug. What I have to do now is go over to the plug and hold the on-off button until the LED blinks. So let me go do that here now. And then I'm going to select my Wi-Fi network. Now, the important thing here, by the way, this is all blown out because I have a light on right now on me. The important thing here is that you select a 2 gigahertz network. So in my house, I have a 5 gigahertz and a 2.4, and I have them on separate SSIDs, so I have to manually have it connect to my other network. So let me do that now real quick, and hopefully that will work. Let's see what happens here. Oh, and now it wants me to actually connect my phone to the Wyze device directly. So this is a little bit more of an effort here because you do have to go down to settings and then go and find the Wi-Fi here. So let's do that real quick. So now we have to go over to the Wyze smart plug adapter here that we see on my list, and we're going to connect to that. Once we connect, what will happen here is the app will then go and configure the smart plug to work with the app. So let's wait for that to finish connecting here. All right, we're connected. And now what we're going to do is jump back over to the Wyze app. And now, okay, I did step 4. See, I hate these things that make you connect first to the device because these things never work right. So I connected, it's not detecting anything. So let me try this again. All right, there we go. So I went back and then it went back through. Okay, so now it's going to take some time to connect up. Okay, so now it has connected. We're going to just name this plug Studio Plug just because I want to know what it is. And we'll go ahead and click on Finish. And now we should see this on my list of things here. And I've earned a badge for getting it configured. And now if I hit the on-off button here, it should turn off. It has, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to turn it off. So it's pretty quick. Tap, on, tap, off. Now I can do this anywhere in the world too, so it's pretty easy to get going there. That's it. So there is more to this though because you can use it with the other Wyze products and everything. So what we're going to be doing in the main review on the main channel is take a look at some ways to integrate this with other Wyze products and other things that you might already have in your house. Because as you know, both Google and Amazon allow you to do multi-room stuff with different branded products, but have them work together. So we're going to look at all of that in the main review very shortly on the main channel. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Mike Talbert, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.